Due to the ever-changing climate, extreme storms have been devastating to communities from larger storms like hurricanes to your regular like thunderstorms. Although these storms are short-lived, they are a huge amount of damage in a short amount of time, and are hard to project changes due to the modeling constraints that we currently have. Winter storms have also been a problem recently in the northwestern part of the United States. According to StormTrax, there has been an increased frequency of storms in the north for the last several years. The Northwest will continue to see an increase of frequency of storms, where areas such as California will continue to have a drought in these cases. Fortunately for the communities of the Northwest, they're used to snow anyway, so it wouldn't be too dramatic of a change for them. However, the Northeast United States will be getting normal to heavier amounts of snow than they're primarily used to. Changes in those communities would result in most likely the cancellation of schools and other businesses not prepared for the uncommon amount of snow that would be coming to the Northeast.